Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G73 and today I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So let's first open the Play Store app to get the Ampere application. That's why in the search bar we should enter Ampere, tap to search and get this first application. To do that, tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application is loading and then installing on your device. After that, click to open the app. Here you can read the description. Yes, I agree, pick close, OK. And then you'll see here information about your battery health. So in my case, battery is in good condition. Also, we can find here more information like the model, Android version, capacity, temperature, and more other settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.